Hello, viewers. Welcome. Let's look at this question under VAT, that is value added tax. This happened to be the episode number 18 of percentages 2. And this will be the episode number 4 of VAT calculation. So we have at a certain store, the VAT exclusive cost of a volleyball jersey is 672 Ghana cedis. If the VAT charged at a rate of 12.5%, we are to calculate the VAT on 5 sets of jerseys. Then the selling price of the 5 jerseys. If you follow the first 3 4 episode, we say that if you are talking about VAT exclusive, it means that is the basic cost of the article, the basic cost, the cost without VAT, that exclusive cost, or better still, the cost price of the article. So if we are having a VAT rate of 12.5%, if you're looking at the tax component, it is just the rate of VAT times the basic cost. That is basically what VAT calculation does in terms of percentage. So from the question, we can see that a certain store, the VAT exclusive cost of a volleyball is this. So that means the basic cost, or the cost price of the article is going to be 672. This is referring to only one set of jersey, but we are looking for the VAT on 5 sets of that jersey. So the cost price of the 5 sets will be multiplied by 5. You can also find the VAT component of on 1, then you multiply by 5. It is still referring to the same thing. But I wanted to get the total cost, the basic cost of all the 5 sets of what? The GC. So 672 times 5. That will be giving you 3,360 Ghana cedis. So this is the cost of all the 5 sets. If you are going to buy all of them, you are going to compound it and find the rate of it, or find the rate of single one, then multiply the result by 5. So if this is the cost, we can say that the rate is going to be 12.5%, which is 12.5 divided by what? 100. All right, now here, even though we multiply the basic cost by 5 to arrive at the total, we cannot multiply the rate by 5 in order to expand the rate. The rate is just 12.5% on any basic cost. So in this case, our basic cost is sum at 3,360. We maintain that, leaving the rate untouched. So the first part of the question, which is looking at for the VAT charge. The VAT charge is just the rate of the percentage rate, right, times the basic cost, or the cost of the VAT exclusive cost. So if by substitution we can have a 12.5 divided by 100, then that will be multiplied by 3,360. So let's do that and see. And if we do that, you should be having 420 Ghana cedis. So this is going to be the VAT charge on all the 5 sets of jerseys. So you can do it singular and multiply by 5. You come back to the same conclusion. Then the B is looking for the selling price of the 5 articles. So if this is the selling price, then it means that we are looking for VAT inclusive cost. The VAT inclusive, which is the VAT inclusive, is talking about the basic cost plus the rate of VAT, plus the charge of VAT. What I mean is that if I can just say VAT exclusive cost, it should be inclusive, right? VAT inclusive cost should be equals to the basic cost plus the VAT charge, and this VAT charge is in value of money, not in percentage. So I can say that the 6,720 plus 420. Let's put all together and see. So this will be 1,092 Ghana cedis. So this 1,000 is talking about the total cost. If you are going to pay for all the 5 GCs, you are going to be paying 1,092 for the 5 GCs. In this case, the VAT component has been added, so it becomes the selling price. Every item that you buy, there is a basic cost, there is an intended price of that article. Then the government is calculating a VAT component added to it before you, the customer. So if you go to a store and buy something that is 1,092, it means there is a component of this 1,092 which is a VAT going to the government. So this is how we calculate it. This can also be done per one. Then at the end we multiply by 5. I believe bringing out the concept you have learned the first 4 episodes, you should be able to apply it onto this, and voila, you have an understanding of VAT calculation. Share, like, comment, and subscribe.